how to add live listen to iPhone 17 or 17 Pro or Pro Max. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then we go to the top here and tap on the Add button. Next, go down and tap on Add a control. Then in here, we scroll down to the accessibility section. So hearing accessibility, and tap on hearing. So hearing is now added to the control center. Then we tap anywhere to close that. And then simply swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if you swipe down and tap on the hearing icon, you can see there is live listen option here. It is currently being grayed out because it is not connected to an AirPods. Here, once it is connected to an AirPod, you can tap on this live listen icon to turn it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.